everyone, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from IWM Buzz.
Congratulations for the show.
Thank you.
So, season 1 has set a benchmark. Is there any pressure for season 2?
I had a lot of pressure because very few people, first of all, want to do experimental stuff. Starting with channels, I respect this channel for being experimental enough to do a show like this. But people want to take sure shots. This was not a sure shot. But after it went to season 2, and thanks to all the viewers for loving it, after it went to season 2, I said, second season now, abhi aaram se chill, no problem, we are a successful show. But I was told, nahi, it's a daily, which means again, it was an experiment. So that kind of gave me a lot of pressure because it's a damn difficult show to shoot. You really need cooperation starting from the writers and the producers to invest that kind of time and money into something which is not run-of-the-mill. You cannot bring out content like a romantic or a family drama where you can look at each other's face and take out 3 minutes footage. This is a very pacey show, difficult to shoot. Starting from them till the actors give that kind of investment. We have to shoot 12 hours. As much as I want to be a little starry and say I won't shoot more than 8 hours, if I do it, impossible. We won't be able to finish it. So that kind of investment is going now because we have also got a lot of comfort from the channel telling us that we don't need to bother about TRPs. This is just something we are doing for changing the likes of television, for creating new content. So channel, the way they've removed all the pressure from me. I'm just living this character and loving it and just feeling fortunate enough to be given this chance and fortunate that everyone has watched and given season 2 to us.
So, what's new this season? What's the USP of this season?
I would say this season the USP would be starting with the fact that it's a half an hour daily show. That is also a USP because I think the daily audience is wider. So we get an opportunity to showcase this to a wider set of people. Also, the character twirls, the way it's presented, it's a whole new audience. So the way the story will be presented is that they'll understand what happened in the first season as a sequel, as a prequel, and they will also understand why the characters have reached here. And each character has evolved, including Dev, who carries a lot of pain and anger on his shoulders to top what he did in the first season. And we have Dhwani now, who's Jigyasa, who's come in. I know TV is usually a girl's medium, and we've got a girl who's played a title role on Colors for so long, so she's been sweet enough to come into Dev and be a part of us. So yeah, I'm hoping she brings in that love because she does bring that in Dev's life in the show also. I think the challenge in the journey of doing Dev is hitting the gym, which I don't think was a possibility because we're shooting 12 hours and traveling at least 2-3 hours to location because we shoot very far. It leaves only about 7-8 hours in the day, but still I have not managed to miss a day of gym when I've been shooting. So yeah, that was a challenge on how do I continue a routine where I can find sleep and go to the gym and shoot and do whatever little bit businesses that I do. But thankfully to God, I've found a little routine. I've done some time management and I'm managing everything. So challenge overcome.
So, what has Dev taught you in this season and the first season and second?
Well, it's taught me on how Dev has actually taught me how to take up on risks. It was a very risky show for me to take up, and especially because I left Ek Muthi Asman right at its peak, and then I was not okay about doing dailies because I was not creatively happy, and then that was this risk itself because not that I've been a big actor in films. So I did a reality show which again worked for me, but I can't keep doing reality shows. So I don't know what it was, but life has just taught me one thing, that you learn more from your failures than you learn from your successes, which everyone knows now. It's a very stale saying, but it's very true. And I've realized that I don't care. Failures, in fact, better if it comes along. It'll only teach me. So I took a risk and I'm still strong enough. I know I'll work on Dev and I'll invest in it the way the channel is investing in me as much as I can. But I'm sure after this I'll take up something else which will again rock my boat. So it's given me the guts to take on whatever I feel like, and I know how much of a slotting. I thought there was a day I'll never come out of the comedy slotting. But whatever it may be, you always find your way out. That's what Dev has taught me.
Apart from television and Bollywood, what digital anything coming in your pipeline?
I can't. I'm exclusively contracted by the channel for Dev, so I'm not going to be moving out of Dev till I'm kicked out of it. I want to say thank you to all the fans for allowing us. I use the word allowing us to have a second season. It's not without you to happen. There was a research that was done which proved that it's you people because of who, and obviously you know that's true. But nevertheless, I want you to start watching the show. I want you to give this a chance. Even the people who only watch weekends and don't watch dailies, please do watch it. No force as such, but if you do watch it, I know it's turned out better than the first season, and when you do, we'll get a chance to make season 3. Hi, this is Ashish Chaudhary and you're watching IWMBuzz.com.